down about this Pico. You are all legends. Better luck next time.
That is literally how we say hello. Some piece of shit. Idiot, come on. So HSU, while I'm here before I leave, they sent me products a while back, right? And they actually turned out to be pretty good. Talking about this one specifically, right there, it's actually stuck on pretty well and it hasn't fallen off, so I'm pretty impressed by that. The other thing that really helped me, I'll put pictures of them because I don't have them here, the little clip thing that you rotate and tighten, that actually helps a lot as well, especially if I don't have my gloves on. The bike decided not to turn off for a little bit there. The floaty definitely floats. I just went on holiday, it's actually not too bad either. And the other one that I've been mainly using, it's basically the stick that you can screw onto the tripod and then you can have your phone mounted on the top of it. Not bad. Used to these tires, man, like they are so new. I need to wash my bike, damn. I got soaked with some disgusting weather. Because some idiots that do the weather can't get it right. I would love to launch control it. Behave. Behave. Behave, behave. Launch control. Every other red light you go through, but this one you want to just wait. This Mercedes is mad that the scooter filtered through him. The scooter didn't even touch him. technically inside this little thing. Not damn technical. Damn. Oh. That fucking scared me. I'm not even fucking joking.
Perfection. I'm a singer.
Are you really?
That's how I bought this car. Very famous rapper.
What's your rapper name? What's your rapper name?
Chauffeur. I'm a very good singer. I am an opera paparazzi.
I hope you're not drunk. Oh my jeez! I never seen one in my life. Jeez! Never have I ever seen one in my life. Is this guy fucking recording? I'll let him off. I'll let him off. It's not every day you get to see a car like this. Yes! Come on, come on, come on, pick up speed. I'm right here, man. I want to race. Come on.